Hey, this is Krista with the Traveling Addict. Today I'm at White Pines Preserve in Pittsboro, North Carolina. It's between Pittsboro and Siler City on 15501. It does have a small parking lot. I'll show you. Could probably fit maybe 10 cars in here. If you take the trail on the other side, there's a parking lot there as well. It's a larger parking lot. So I actually have started this trail with the Boy Scouts today, Troop 900. They didn't go to where the confluence, the two rivers meet, and I'm gonna go back down there and finish this trail. Let's go. So we've taken the wrong way. We're back at the parking lot and we're starting again. We're gonna start on school kids and go around the other way and try to come out. Somehow we messed up. So this is pretty typical. Red oak. Shiner Spur. We're going to Spur. We're back up to Shiner's Way and taking the loop, finishing up the loop. The little Shiner's Way spur is a little bit overgrown, but it's walkable. It goes down to a little creek. Everything looks a little flooded. Had a lot of rain here. Ooh, golly, scare me. Black walnuts. Yeah, black walnuts. Ooh, I can smell it. Yes, it is. A beautiful tree. Man, there's a lot of airplanes. Another view of the river. Okay, this is it. This is where the two rivers meet. Water's running pretty quickly. was something. Don't know what it was. Oh, there it is. Oh. Here he comes. Hello, I see you. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna get off River Trail because we were doing it with the Boy Scouts and I finished that part, so I'm gonna head up. The bluffs, got a couple of chairs to sit. And this is in memory of David Hughes Howells, 1920 to 1995. Another intersection, the River Trail, White Pines Trail, and the parking lot, and I'm headed back to the parking lot. So I just finished White Pine Preserve, and between this morning with the Scouts and now I've done 7.2 miles, and I was able to finish all the trails in the park or in the preserve. I went down to the confluence where the two rivers meet, the Deep River and the Rocky River, and I saw the memorial. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share this with somebody who would like to go hiking with me, and I'll catch you on the next trail. See you later. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.